Mastering Paragraph Structure, a guide to clear writing. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for English language learners, paragraph structure. Understanding how to construct a well-organized paragraph is crucial for writing clearly and effectively. Whether you're working on an essay, a report, or any written assignment, mastering this skill will significantly improve your writing. So, let's get started. A paragraph is a distinct section of writing that deals with a specific point or idea. It consists of multiple sentences that are organized cohesively to support a central theme or argument. The key components of a paragraph include the topic sentence, supporting sentences, and the concluding sentence. The topic sentence is the heart of your paragraph. It introduces the main idea or point that the paragraph will discuss. A good topic sentence is clear and concise, providing a strong foundation for the sentences that follow. It should grab the reader's attention and make them want to read on. After the topic sentence, we have the supporting sentences. These sentences are designed to develop, explain, and substantiate the main idea introduced by the topic sentence. They can include examples, details, facts, or explanations that help to clarify the main point. The key here is to ensure that all supporting sentences are relevant to the topic sentence and contribute to the overall argument or narrative of the paragraph. The concluding sentence wraps up the paragraph. It summarizes the main points or reflects on the implications of the paragraph's argument. A strong concluding sentence should link back to the topic sentence in a way that provides closure to the paragraph, making it a cohesive unit of thought. It can also hint at the content of the next paragraph, creating a smooth transition. For a paragraph to be effective, it needs to be both coherent and cohesive. Coherence means that the paragraph is logical and easy to follow, while cohesion refers to how well the sentences are connected to each other. Use transitional words and phrases like furthermore, for example, and however, to achieve this flow and linkage between ideas. There you have it, a guide to understanding and mastering paragraph structure in English writing. Remember, the strength of your writing lies in clarity and organization. By focusing on crafting strong topic sentences, supporting your ideas with detailed sentences, and concluding your thoughts effectively, you'll be well on your way to writing compelling paragraphs. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit these tips as you work on improving your writing skills. Happy writing, and see you in our next video.